Have you ever dreamt of turning your love for gaming into an actual career? Buckle up because we are diving into the electrifying world of esports. It's no longer just a hobby, it's a $1 billion industry shaping the future of entertainment. Whether you want to be a pro player, content creator, or a team manager, esports has so much to offer. So, how do you go from a casual gamer to making a career out of it? Let's find out. What are esports? First things first. What exactly are esports? It's all about competitive gaming with players and teams going head to head in games like PUBG, Dota 2 and League of Legends. Picture this: arenas packed with thousands of fans, live stream with millions of viewers, and prize pool in the millions. For example, 2021 International Dota 2 Championship had a prize pool of over $40 million. That's the level esports is at, where gamers are legit superstars on the global stage. Now, let's talk about you. The rise of esports in India. Here in India, the esports scene is blowing up with platforms like YouTube and Twitch, plus organizations like SATUL and Gordel. The industry is booming. But how can you actually build a career in esports? Let's break it down. Career options in esports. Pro gamer. First up, the dream job. Pro gamer. Compete in tournaments and get paid for it. Take Naman Mathur, a commortal. He is a champ with a massive following, earning both with reputation and income through his insane gameplay. Could this be your future? Content creator. If you have got a knack for entertaining, why not become a content creator? Look at Aditya Sawant, aka Dynamo Gaming. With millions of YouTube subscribers, he is the proof that personality and gaming skills can make you a star. Team manager or coach. Not into playing? No problem. You could be a team manager or coach like Ankit Venom Pant, who transited from pro player to managing successful teams. Strategy, training, management. It's all about helping players reach their full potential. Game developer. Got a creative side? Game developers are essential in crafting the next big esports hits. Your imagination could fuel the next Fortnite or Valorant. Esports journalist or analyst. Love staying on the top of the scene. Become a journalist or analyst covering the latest events, breaking down gameplay. This is where gaming meets storytelling. Benefits of an esport career. So, why esports? Let's talk benefits. High earnings. Top players rake in serious money through tournaments, sponsorships, and streaming. This isn't just a hobby. It can be a golden ticket. Networking opportunities. Meet fellow gamers, industry leaders, and sponsors. These connections can unlock doors you never imagined. Passion-driven work. What's better than waking up every day to do what you love? Challenges in esports. Of course, it's not all fun and games. There are some real challenges. Low acceptability. Some people, especially parents, might not see esports as a real career. Industry evolution. While esports is booming, it's still growing in India. The infrastructure isn't fully there yet. Career transition. Not everyone can make it as a pro player, but don't worry. Many transitions into content creation, management, or other areas. Skills you need to succeed. What skills do you need to break into this field? Game specific skills. Master your chosen game, know the strategies, and study the pros. Technical skills. Streaming setups, video editing, understanding analytics. It all matters. Adaptability. The esports scene evolves fast. Be ready to learn and grow as the industry changes. The future of esports and emerging tech. Esports isn't just about now, it's about the future. Here are 5 emerging technologies shaping the future of esports: VR and AR. These technologies make games even more immersive and exciting. AI helps analyze gameplay and enhances competition. Cloud gaming. Platforms like Google Stadia allow players to stream games without expensive hardware. streaming tech, Twitch and YouTube innovations are taking viewer engagement to the next level. 5G, faster gaming, smoother streams. 5G is a game changer. So, is a career in esports right for you? Whether you want to be a pro player, content creator, or a part of esports ecosystem, the opportunities are endless. What excites you the most about esports? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned with us. Until next time, keep gaming, keep dreaming, and let's make those esports career happen.